Hello, you little frog's legs. How's it all going today? Well, today I'm going to do a 2 Franc coin. I sold one of these a couple of days ago. I'm going to post it tomorrow. No, I'm going to post it Wednesday. Right. First of all, we need to punch a hole in it. Hope everybody's doing absolutely wonderfully today. Mr. Wonderful is Spotty Dog. Thank you all. Thanks for your support and your comments and blah 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 blah. Right, let's go over to the one and only Big Bertha. Let's see what she's got in store for us. Oh, I left a spider there. I think I'll leave it there. I quite like it, don't you? I hope you enjoyed the Halloween special. I enjoyed making it. It's good fun. Oh, God. Today's video is for a young man called Stuart. He's 13 and he collects coins. I've had a few emails and, a few chats. He's a jock. Now, if you're from America, you don't know what a jock is, probably. Well, a jock is someone the English call. He's from Scotland. He's a nice young man. Very articulate. He's sent me some lovely emails. I was nowhere near as articulate as him at his age. At my age. But yeah, he seems like a really nice kid. So, Stuart, this video is for you, my man. Today would be good, wouldn't it? Here she comes. Yeah, I'm going to chuck you in some coins in the post on Wednesday, Stuart. Come on, baby. Oh, yeah, that's good. That's really good. Okay, what we got? I've had a lot of people saying that they'd like to see the annealing in the videos. So, you want the annealing in the videos? You're going to get the annealing in the videos. Your wishes are my command. Right. Yeah, I sold this exact same ring. Well, not this one, but one very, very similar. It's a present for his girlfriend for Christmas. So. Right, what are we going to do now then? Well, you want to see it, so here we go. Time to anneal it. It's just warming it up so it's a bit easier to work. I posted off 4 rings last week, so I posted them Thursday, and somebody got their ring on a Saturday, which to me is crazy. Usually it takes a week, 10 days, but he got his ring. Ouch! I love the smell of burning hair, don't we all? God. I had to go to the hospital the other day. I had this alien growing under my armpit, and it was there for a few weeks. It got bigger and bigger. I squeezed it, as you do, got a load of shit out of it. It got bigger and bigger. Squeezed it again, a load more shit came out of it, and in the end it's getting so big and I couldn't get anything else out of it. I thought, well, shit, I better go to the I was going to go to the doctor's, but I couldn't wait anymore, and it was like Saturday night. I thought, no, I'm going to go to the hospital. I started getting a bit concerned, as you do, and went in there. They took a blood test, and I had to sit there for 4 or 5 bloody hours, but that's okay. Then these nurses came along, and obviously there's no problems with the blood, and they put me on this bed, and she had a good squeeze around. She says, "No, I'm going to have to cut it." I said, yeah, cut it out. So I said, no, do a big cut, slice it, get it out. But she didn't do a big cut, and she couldn't get no more shit out of it. So they sent me home. I got some biotics, some painkillers, and I must admit, it ain't hurting too much today, but I couldn't even hold my arm down by my side. It was so bloody painful. You know what it's like, you start thinking you've got the big C and shit like that, but actually it was ever so nice. There's two of them in there, two nurses. I said, no, squeeze it hard properly, go on, cut it, slice it, get it out. But anyway, yeah, at least it's not the big C, that's all I was worried about. You know, you start getting on in a few years, you start thinking, you know, is it or isn't it? Right, what we're going to do now, well, we need a 17-degree folding die, and this is going to be sunny side up on the ring because it does look nice. You've got all the floral stuff and leaves and whatever else there is there. So that goes face down. We'll put a bit of jollop in there. Makes things slide around a bit easier. This might be the last day. Maybe not. This might be the last day that you actually see Big Bertha. She's leaving me. She sent me her divorce papers, and it looks like I've got to get myself a new model. Right, get nice and level. And then I'll give it a bit of the old Oochie Coochie. A bit of the old 1-2. 1. Oh la la, cha cha cha. 1-2. But that went through okay, I think. Let's have another check. Bloody handle. I could give it a bit more. Yeah, Stuart, so thanks for following me, mate. I appreciate it. A young man with some class. I'm just going to straighten it up again. That's better. You've been collecting coins since you was a young kid. Fair play to you, man. I was never really into collecting anything, really, when I was a kid. And all my toys I used to get, I used to bloody break them. See how they used to work. Right, there you go. Just want to clean that edge up. I still ain't got no sandpaper. There. So, Stuart, what do you want to do, man, when you grow up? Get yourself a trade. You can always go back to it. That's what I was told by my parents. And it's, yeah. And get something that they can't get rid of after a few years, like IT can't take your job. You know, you get yourself a trade, like electrician or a plumber. IT can't take that away from you. And the money's pretty good as well. Right, there you go. Beautiful. So now, I think I will go over to Spike. But I'll just warm it up again. You've seen it once, you don't need to see it again, do you? Surely to God. Right, I'll go over to Spike. The ring stretcher from hell. Right, there he is. That's good. A bit of kitchen roll. And I'll give it a bit of the old hoochie coochie coo, baby. this isn't for anybody in particular. I mean, I sold one just like it, so I had another coin like it, so I thought, well, I'll make another one. Somebody else might like it. It's a bit warm in there. Still a bit of a bow in it. I'm going to get that out. Get it out. Ain't looking too bad, maybe a little bit more. So Stuart, you got yourself a little girlfriend? No, I did have a girlfriend when I was 13. I was a late starter, mate. Then I got into motorcycles, and the girl thing seemed to go out the window for a few years. Right, there you go. Right, let's bring out Christy Burr. Oh, just looking to clean up that inside edge a little bit. There's a little bit of a lip in there. And you're going to get yourself one of my 2-shilling rings, are you? All I need from you is your ring size, Stuart. Right, and then as you get older, you can take it to a jeweller's and they can make it a bit bigger for you. And it'll probably cost... I mean, if they're decent jewellers, they'll do it for nothing, or maybe a couple of quid. They can make it a bit bigger for you. As you get older and your fingers get a bit bigger. Right, now we're going to go down to the bottom end of spike. These are reduction dies. I'll put a bit of jollop in there as well. Oh, too much. Perfect. Right. And you're just looking to straighten the walls up, really. A little bit the other way. And make sure it's nice and square. There you go. Nice and straight. So we'll now go over to Dave the Dremel. And Kate Bush is already inserted into Dave. I just want to clean up the fire scale, get the fire scale off it. And then we give it a polish. I find if I bounce it on the reeds, the little brushes get in between the reeds instead of going like this. There you go. Pretty damn sexy, eh? That is called the Edwin look. I like the Edwin look. Bear likes the Edwin look. But I will polish it. And if you decide you prefer the Edwin look, I just have to run over the coin again with Kate. Right. Oh, Bill, I hate to tell you this, man. But yeah, I went to the hospital and they done blood tests. And then I was, it wasn't an operating table, it was like a, you know, sort of a laid back couchy type thing. And she done her stuff and she cut me, you know, cut me open a little bit, try and get this pus and shit out of my arm, under my arm. And I've got a prescription for some antibiotics. Well, the hospital was obviously, it cost me nothing, it's free. And the antibiotics and the painkillers cost me €30. And you poor buggers over in the States, man, it's just crazy. I was watching a video, this woman from Finland, she moved out there and she had all their insurance, you know, healthcare insurances, whatever she had to pay for, which has cost her a lot of money. But then she had decided she's going to have a baby, so she had a baby. His insurance covered a lot of it, but she still had to pay $10,000. All you have to pay for in this country is the bed. You don't have to pay for nothing else. When I had my gallbladder out, well, I don't know, 5 or 6 years ago, I was in hospital, I think, for 2 days or 3 days. And the bill was, I think it was €14. Honestly, I'm not taking a piss. You're just paying for the bed. You don't get charged for nothing else. I mean, what is going on over there? How comes it's going, the price is going up thousands now? It's bloody crazy. How can people afford to pay that money? If there's any other Americans out there, I mean, how the bloody hell do you afford it? Is it a good thing, what you've got out there? I don't know. But, I mean, it is free here. Oh, this is the land of the free, believe it or not. But I feel sorry for some of you Americans. I mean, it's just a big rip-off, isn't it? But, yeah. Right. Well, what we got? It ain't too bad, is it? What size we got? That's not a huge ring, size 10, 10 and a half. About the same size as the last one I did. I can make them bigger, I can make them smaller. You still got the detail, that's why I use a kitchen roll. Fits this finger absolutely spotty dog. I'd like to thank you all for watching. Thanks for subscribing. If you're new to the channel and you'd like to subscribe, there's a little button bottom right hand corner of the video, about there somewhere. If you hit that, stuff happens. Yeah, thank you all. Love you to bits. Hope you have a great week. I think that's about it, really. Try and make somebody smile. Don't let the bastards get you down. And God willing, I'll see you all on the next one. You take care and behave yourselves. And tell you bye-bye.